And Big Will here.
And today we're going to be teaching you the choreography for my newest single, Do It Like Me. We're going to be going through the steps, breaking it down. Let's get into it.
Yeah, here we go. Here we go. So the very first step of the choreography is you're going to start off camera and you're going to run in to go, yeah. So whatever you want, just have fun with it. You can walk in being like, yeah. If you want to moonwalk it, yeah. Okay, just like that, yeah? So I'm going to start this off. I'm going to step on that right foot. I'm going right. I'm going to hit this left, and I'm going to snap it while bending down at the same time. Snap. So 6, 7, 8. Start it from the bottom. Nice. Now from here, I'm bouncing it off right away. I'm going to hit this twice. Hit right hand. Up. Step on that right leg. My left hand is going to go down my body. Go down. Nice. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Start it from the bottom. Now we tick, top. I'm going to step in this left leg and have like a nice little running motion. I'm going to step left, bring it back. Then I'm going to have a nice little hip swing. Step again. And I'm going to hit this on drive. Boom. Nice. Have a little double bounce. So from here, I'm going up, left hand. I'm stepping left and rotate and base. Now from here it goes ba-boom. Now,
what does it do?
Ba-boom.
Boom. Okay.
Now from here, I'm going to step on this right leg. It's going to kind of go down a little bit. Now I'm going to hit this right arm going up. Same time this booty's going to pop. It's going boom. Nice. Just like
pop.
that. Booty look pop.
Pop that booty.
Yes. So from here, tick-tock, moving so fast I need to pick, stop, boom. Nice. Now from there, I'm going to step on this left leg. My arms are going to roll in. I'm going to step left. I'm going to point with this right hand, step on the right. I'm going to step back, left to right. Left, right. Same time, my hands are going to go from here. I'm going to stack this to go left and then to the right. Think of it like pancakes. Nice. Yes, stack my pancakes, right?
Pancakes.
So from here, do tick-tock. Moving so fast, I need a pick, stop, boom, roll and point and left, right. Nice. So stop there for a little bit. Go from the top twice, and then we'll keep it pushing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Start it from the bottom. Now we tick, top. Move it so fast, I need a pick, stop, boom, roll and point and left, right. Nice, guys. One more time. Let's try tempo.
Yep.
5, 6, 7, 8. Started from the bottom. Now we do keep left and turn it and bounce, boom, roll, point and stop pancakes.
Cool. If you need to review that, you can always go back and learn it again. But we're gonna be moving on.
Yep. We're gonna keep it on pushing.
Keep it on moving on.
Keep it on moving on.
What's that from?
Just keep swimming.
I don't know. All right, next section.
So I'm going to stack up pancakes. I'm going to go left, right. I'm going to just turn this over. My hand's going to go around this way. Same time, I'm going to stay on this left leg, and I'm going to turn this over to go here.
Over your left shoulder.
Yes. So I'm going to go over my left shoulder. So think left, right, stay on this left leg to turn this over. Nice.
Yep.
Now from there, I'm going to do a nice little body roll. My weight is still on that left leg. I'm going to bring this right leg up to go tick and down. Nice. So my arms from here already is just going down my body. And I'm going to have a nice little look. Look it up. Yeah? That's a nice little like shady moment right there. Yeah? You're like, boom, and ooh.
Or happy, whatever you
Or happy.
mood you're in.
Yeah, you're like, oh my gosh, I love your shoes. Or like, ugh, her shoes. You know what I mean? It's a vibe. It's a
Make
vibe.
it your own.
Make it your own,
Give
right?
it some personality.
So I'm going to step left, right, turn, in. 1, 2, down, up. Now I'm going to start coming forward. She says tick-tock, right? Which, you should do this on your TikTok.
Yeah.
So from here, I'm going to step this right leg. On the same time, my left hand is going to be out. Right hand's coming here to swipe it up. Tick-tock.
I knew that.
Nice. So I'm stepping right and point and tick-tock. Last move. I'm going to step in this left leg. It goes another boom. I'm going to step to this left, go into this, then hit this booty pop. Boom.
Yep.
Nice. And that is the very end of the choreography. First, do it like
me.
Yeah. So, why don't we go from here? Let's do that one time. Go from the very top slow.
And then we'll try out music. Am I going to? I'm just excited.
No, we'll try out music.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7. Perfect. 5, 6, 7, 8. Started from the bottom. Now tick, tick, tock. Moving so fast, I need a pit stop. Boom, boom, boom. Roll and point and left, right. Turn in, right, left. Swipe, swipe. Boom, boom. That's the end.
Yeah.
You guys ready to try out music?
Woo!
And don't be afraid to rewind it. If you are still a little bit confused, you can do it as many times as you need to, so you make sure you're totally perfect
And you got it
for the
down.
camera.
And even if you don't, by the end of the day, just have fun. It's all about having fun. That's why you made this dance. You did a great job with the choreo. And I love the song just to remind yourself that you are an awesome person and you are great just the way you are. So that's all that it's about. Let's
I
try
am
with
great.
music. You are great.
Just the way I am.
So are you.
You too.
Let's
You
start with music.
too.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, here we go, music.
Here we go.
Started from the bottom of the tip top. Moving so fast, I need a pit stop. Running circles when the game, I shake this tip top. It's my time to go and watch me like a TikTok. Now I'm trending when I step up on the scene. Got our eyes on me ever since.
Whew, I'm a little out of breath, but it is so fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial and you got the dance down. I would love to see you try out the dance on all social media platforms, so go check it out. Hashtag do it like me dance. Make sure you guys tag me at Tori Kay Unedited and give him dance credits.
You can tag me at Big Will Simmons.
Yeah, thanks guys.